Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a straightforward yet powerful project plan using Google Sheets. If you've ever needed a way to organize your tasks, visualize your deadlines, and keep everyone on the same page but didn't want to waste time or money on complicated apps, this is the perfect solution. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your own customizable project planner in just a few quick steps. Let's dive right in and set you up for project success. First off, let's talk about why Google Sheets is such a great choice for project planning. It's free, super accessible from any device, and makes collaboration with teammates or clients really smooth. Plus, there's something almost satisfying about having all your tasks and dates laid out clearly. It helps you stay ahead, catch potential problems early, and keep your projects moving forward. Alright, the very first thing you'll want to do is open up Google Sheets in your browser. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's really user-friendly and closely resembles Excel. But here's a cool tip: you don't have to start from scratch. Head up to the top right corner of the homepage and look for something called the Template Gallery. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, but it's a huge time saver. Go ahead and click on Template Gallery. This will open up a whole selection of pre-made templates that Google has put together for situations just like this. Now you'll see a variety of templates for things like budgets, invoices, calendars, and more, but for what we're doing today, scroll down to the Project Management section. Here you'll find a template called Project Timeline. This is the one we want because it's designed specifically for mapping out tasks, due dates, and responsible team members, pretty much everything you need to get a project off the ground and running smoothly. Click on Project Timeline, and it'll instantly create a new copy just for you. When your new sheet loads, don't be intimidated by all the colors and columns. Take a breath, this is just a starting point, so you're not stuck with exactly what you see. In fact, one of the best things about this template is how easily you can adapt it to your own needs. You can rename the project, add or remove team members, and tweak tasks until the plan truly fits your workflow. For example, if you're managing a school assignment or planning a wedding rather than a business project, it's simple to swap out the default tasks with your own. Pay special attention to the columns and try to fill in as much detail as possible, like start dates, due dates, and any notes for context. This is where your plan becomes really actionable. You want anyone looking at it to know exactly what needs to get done and by when. And if you're working with others, you can share the sheet through Google Drive, making collaboration totally seamless. Don't worry if you need to make lots of changes or if your project isn't super detailed yet. The beauty here is flexibility. You can always come back to adjust your timeline or add more columns as your project evolves. Think of this sheet like a living document that grows right along with your work. And there you have it, a ready-to-go, fully customizable project planner in Google Sheets. I hope this walkthrough gave you the confidence to get started and showed you how simple project management can be with the right tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.